I am Dr. Surendra Kumar, Professor, School of Management, Babu Banarsidass University. In the last session, we have discussed something about counseling. Now today, we are discussing about the various approaches of counseling. If you have to look after the various approaches, so generally in the terms of counseling, there are two basic approaches to be coming down. First is humanistic approach and the second is behavioral approach of the counseling. As we already discussed, that counseling is face-to-face interaction. In the business scenario, in the business management concept, if I am the HRD professional and if I am a counselor, so we have to meet down the person who is on that principle. So generally, if you have to come down to whatever the word, humanistic, that means counseling on the basis of human values. Human means emotions. Emotions. So in this part, humanitarian ground is to be carried out. So whatever the clinical psychologist concept is to be maximum, which come down with this concept is to be there in this humanitarian ground first. Because in this we have to play, or we have to clear, we have to rectify, we have to analyze their emotional values, by which if any problem can be carried out, we have to, like depression or something can be come out. And in this behavioral approach, this is a general tendency, we have to check down on the basis of behavioral approaches to be there. So starting with the behavioral approach, we just put down our behavioral approach of the counseling. First is to begin John Locke. John Locke was carried out this principle. He has to go down. He just show down. If I am just asking you, like this part, this is totally a blank. Here, totally blank. What do you feel after seeing this blank? What do you feel? If this blank is to be there, so maybe possibly we are thinking, कुछ लिखा नहीं है इन्होंने, आता नहीं है सबको. दूसरा, पहला, अभी कुछ बताएंगे नया. तीसरा, maybe possibly this is the clean person is to be there. We will write something is to be there. The maybe possible. So depend on behavior, depend on the sentiment, depend on the attitude, depend on the knowledge. We have to use it. This blank slate approach is to be there. In this, he told that there is a learned neurosis. Every person who want to learn, maybe sit and maybe see any type of behavioral approach to be there, then accordingly he has to use it. And in this approach, he has to pay, there is a general certain basic principle was carried out. What about the basic principles of behavioral approach? In this behavioral approach, the first principle is reinforcement. Reinforcement means we have to provide certain rewards or punishments. Whatever what is to be carried out in this counseling session, like basic principle is to be in the behavioral approach. Our behavior is totally positive or the negative. If we got some reward, toward the side of positivity we have to increase. If we think that after doing this thing or after my work, maybe I will get punishment, so our words towards the side of my behavior is totally changed. Then second is shaping. Shaping means working with small or incremental changes. We have to do this step by step. This thing is very much specialized if you have to go to the growing companies. To stabilize company, normally you cannot say down this thing is to be there, but if the diversification or they have to use this some other concept is to be there, definitely this thing can be carried out. But in the shaping, working with the small and incremental changes can be narrated is true. Then we have to take up the measurement. In the measurement objectives, measurable outcomes should be come down. This is basically the basic principles of behavior is to be there. And finally, that is action, in which dwells more on behaviors than thoughts. This is to be very much judgmental is to be there. So in this behavioral approach, the main thing is to be there. Now, a lot of, because whenever we are discussing the approach, the concept is to be carried out by the ways of the various theories, and in this behavioral theories we have to judgmental things according to their behavioral values is to be there. So in this, one scientist was there, Albert Ellis, right? Yes. He has to give one theory is to be a rational, emotive, behavioral therapy. It is commonly known as REST. What does this theory means in the behavioral sciences to be? Basically, this theory or these tools, these techniques, the behavioral approach of the counseling is to be focused on dysfunctional, irrational, unrealistic and distorted thoughts. Clear? No. Basically, this theory totally deals with whatever your work is to be there, that is totally not as per the system or as per the corporation is to be there. So you are totally dysfunctional, your approach towards the side of that, or irrationals, unrealistics and distorted thought is to be come down. Then second thing is, it is feelings and behavior also addressed. And then unconditional acceptance is important in this theory was there. And besides this, we have discussed, because behavioral theory is to be given that Alice already knew. So Alice already believed in authenticity. So whatever the data, whatever the counseling, whatever the need, whatever the objection used to be there, it should be authenticated by the system and it is accepted by the counseling also. Then clients are encouraged to think rationally. Then in this behavioral theory, the philosophy and belief is that understanding belief system is important. Belief, चलिए इसको हम ऐसे समझ लेते हैं. कुछ दिनों पहले या sometime ago, some lockdown used to be there and someone told that COVID-19. Or in this COVID-19, the symptoms are more or less like COVID and viral. It is shown like the same thing is to be there. So if any person is sneezing, a mild fever is to be come down, he is just thinking, और उसके साथ वाले भी इसको कोविड हो गया, इसको कोरोना हो गया. It is acceptable or not? No. A lot of session is to be carried out by the various highly professionalized doctors, medical fraternities, WHO, even prime ministers, chief minister, whatever. So they are telling that you should not worry. Maybe this is from viral infection, and both are showing the same things to be there. So this is, or you will be getting also. So in that condition, when they are shown this type of belief, their belief system, ये belief क्या है कि हम ऐसा कर सकते हैं और हम कर लेते हैं. बहुत पहले मैंने एक स्टोरी पढ़ी थी छोटी सी, और शायद हमारे whenever I did my management side मैंने किया, उस समय हमारे टीचर्स थे, जो स्टूडेंट हूँ, कि एक बार एक साहूकार था, वो हाथी को बेचने के लिए निकला. कुछ हाथी उसके पास थे. एक राजा के पास पहुंचा, उसने कहा राजा से हम अपना हाथी बेचना चाहते हैं, लेकिन चूंकि रात बहुत हो चुकी थी, तो राजा ने कहा सुबह हम दरबार में मिलेंगे, और अपने नौकर से, जो भी उनके वो थे वर्कर्स, उनसे बोला कि आप इनको ठहरा दीजिए, क्योंकि वहाँ पे कोई जगह नहीं थी जहाँ हाथी ठहराया जा सके, और हाथी नहीं था कि हो सकता रात को कहीं निकल ना जाए. तो उन लोगों ने कहा कि हाथी को हम लोग एक रस्सी या जंजीर से बांध देते हैं. तो जब खोजना शुरू किया गया तो पता लगा कि 5 हाथी को तो जंजीर मिल गई, लेकिन जो 6th जो था उसको जंजीर नहीं मिल पाई. तब उन्होंने कहा कि क्या करें. तो उसी में एक बहुत एक्सपीरियंस्ड ओल्ड एज वाला वर्कर्स था, he just come down. इसने कहा we have to use the belief system here. हाथी के मन में हम ये बिलीफ डाल देंगे कि मैंने उसके पैर में रस्सी बांधी और वो कहीं जाएगा नहीं. उसने क्या किया, सेम प्रोसेस जैसे रस्सी में बांधा जाता है, उसने हाथ से करना शुरू किया, उसके पैर के साथ ऐसे बांधा, गांठ मारी, देन अगेन ले करके उसको ऐसे पकड़े पकड़े पकड़े, जिस पत्थर से उसको बांधा जाता है वहां बांध के वो चला गया। मगर जो दुकान जो था बिजनेसमैन, उसको ये चीज नहीं लगी। वो सुबह सुबह जल्दी जल्दी भाग करके पहुंचा सुबह उठने के बाद, और देखा तो हाथी बिल्कुल सबके साथ बैठा हुआ था। He was the main thing to be there. He given so many thanks to that particular person because he know and now he accepted the value of belief. Belief होता है विश्वास कि हमने ऐसा किया, या हाथी को विश्वास हुआ कि उन्होंने मुझे बांध दिया तो मैं कहीं जा नहीं पाऊंगा। Then he cannot control because भ्रम की जो उसकी थ्रो वो भी नहीं कर। So in the belief systems are organized way of thinking about reality. That is the behavioral approaches to be there. And belief system affects one's self-view was to be there. And the language of the client uses will speak to their philosophy and belief system is to be take care. So in this concept is to be there. In this concept, we also client create their own emotional disturbances by delivering in absolute and irrational beliefs to be there. We just slow down by which, because our behavioral approach is to be coming down. So in this behavioral approach, our belief, I will just show why I have to do this work, or why I am not doing this work, why I have to, lack of my knowledge, lack of my skills, why the confusion will, he just show down each and everything to the counselor. Then in this behavioral approach, clients can choose their belief system and counselor can help client by identifying irrational beliefs and helping the client find meaning in their lives. That means beliefs give real values toward the sign of the counseling approach. In this, now behavioral approach shows that how we have to learn. So in the identifying irrational thinking, we have used helpless thinking in the result of the irrational thinking. Then it includes all of nothing. All of nothing. Because our faith system was taken accordingly. This statement we have to believe in that. And it usually includes the word should, ought, never and must. You can do, you can do, you can do. This thing can be carried out. The live example in the training sessions, in the counseling session of the Yuvraj, by which he was suffering with a carcinoma, lymphoma is to be there. Then in this counseling session, he has got that type of faith, he can do, he can do, he can do, and he ought to be. He never frustrated, so this word, never, ought, then must and should. These four words give the real behavioral approach in the client center. And in rational thinking can be used out, and you can show very good result according to the system is to be there in this. And there is a 5 common irrational things in this behavioral approach is to be there. What are the 5 things? Irrational thinking, like 5 common irrational or dissatisfaction, dysfunctional ideas, 5. And if this idea can be cured out, definitely behavioral approach is weak. So if I am not satisfied is to be there, and on the behavioral front, what I told, life is not fair, it's awful, I can't stand it, I must get what I want, and I am incompetent is to be there. So we have to think. So REBT syllabus, REBT knowledge show A, B, C, D, E, F approach. A, B, C, D, E or F approach. What is ABCD? The activating agent is to be carried out by the ways of the behavioral approach. A. B. The irrational belief about the event should be used out. Third. C. the emotional consequences is to be taken care by the means of the counselor. D, disputing the irrational beliefs. E, the emotional effects of disputing the beliefs is to be there. F, new feelings and behavior is to be come down accordingly. So in this values, in this RBTG, in the behavioral therapy and the multiculturalism, we have does not address of different ways irrationally are manifested by the counting defect is to be there, and does not focus on the phenomenological experiences of the client. Phenomenal, like we never said anything is to be there, and then this process is to be take care of that. Then accordingly we have to system approach is to be. Now this is the first approach. Now we have to come down the second approach. This is the humanistic approach. So behavioral approach is to be totally on the behavioral sciences. REBT techniques show that everything in your hand, humanistic approach of the counseling. Humanistic, again I just repeat the thing is to be there. Behavior is totally depend on our system is to be there, or in the values, or we can say down that a person can die only in two stages. One, if the mind is not work, mind stops work and the heart stops work. So in the behavioral sciences, we have to learn our mind is not working in that situation is to be there. But on the humanistic approach, our system, our belief, our attitude, our desire, our knowledge, our skills, and the basis of the humanity is to be there. So in this humanistic approach of the counseling, the humanistic approach of the counseling includes the following. What includes the following? Number one, existential approach. Second is client-centered approach, and third is gestalt therapy is to be carried out. We will take it on this thing is to be carried out, but whatever the approaches is to be carried out, because the client-centered approach, this is one theory is to be there in your syllabus. I will discuss in a different ways to be there. So in this, humanistic professionals or humanistic practitioners seeks to create a relationship with client that is warm, caring, genuine and engaging is to be there. In this approach, the primary of experience is to be taken care by humanist seeks to understand personal experience in its essentials. Whatever your personal experience, this play a vital role in this humanistic approach is to be there. As a humanitarian, then every individual is unique. This is the prime consideration. Then human depreciation is irreparable, and subjective inner state should be honored and respected. Because if we are not thinking that this is the human being, we cannot do it. होता है ऐसा भी, अगर आप देखें मैक्सिमम कभी हमारे घर में हम लोग कभी लेबर्स को बुलाते हैं कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल टाइप के कि हमको घर में कुछ काम कराना है या कुछ, तो हम लोग उसके पीछे पड़ जाते हैं और खड़े खड़े बिल्कुल उस समय हम ये नहीं सोचते कि वो भी एक ह्यूमन बीइंग है. अरे खाने में तुमने इतना टाइम लगा दिया, लंच इतना ब्रेक ले लिया, कितने बजे तो रहने का टाइम था, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हम रख देते हैं क्योंकि हमने उसको कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लेबर के रूप में रखा ना, और चाहते हैं कि दिन भर के अगर हम उसे 8 to 10 आवर्स वर्क ले रहे हैं तो हम उसका खून पी जाए. लाइक ऐसे main thing is to be there in this humanitarian approach is to be humanitarian ground is to be there. We have to take care this type of approach. We should deal. He is not a machine. He is basically a human being, and human being has certain skills. Because in this growth orientation approach, when we discuss, because increased self-awareness and acceptance will help people in their journey towards greater fulfillment and productivity is to be there. So in this, first is experience, second is growth, third thing, what was the third thing is to be there? Free choices. We should give down free choices in terms of, rather than being deterministic, we should take care of the humanist beliefs that people can become almost whatever they choose. Today's condition, the gray matter, or we can say down the IQ of the human being is the advanced. So whatever we want, we can do in a very systematic approach to be there. So we should put down in the humanistic approach, we always put down as a healing approach. Healing approach. Time plays a vital role in the healing concept. If you lose or unconditional and all of a sudden you lose some relatives of yours, definitely you are feeling the very depressed times to be there. So on the behalf of the humanitarian ground, this should be acceptable. So the healing relationship, first we have to being in. Being in, number one. Being in. In order to experience pure empathy, you must leave your own self-centeredness and enter into the being of others without thinking that what you are. You should go. हम लोग कहते भी हैं कि अगर किसी के आप कुछ ऐसा कैलेमिटी से अचानक आ जाए तो उस समय भले ही वो हमारा दुश्मन हो, हमें उससे जरूर जाके मिलना चाहिए और उसको कहना चाहिए कि नहीं, we are with us today. So this thing can be in being in. I am with you in this drastic condition is to be there. So you should not be worried about. The word you should not be worried about, I am with you, this give that type of pleasureness of that person is to be there. Now we feel after that I am not alone. Even my enemies are also with us in this critical condition and situation is to be there. Then being for. When times are tough, you are the one person they can count on. The support and encouragement is to be needed to the employees in that particular situation and conditions to be there. Being with, third one, being with certainly means listening and hearing the other's feeling through objectives, but it means offering my own perspective, the views of that. So the main thing is to be there. Now, whatever the humanistic approach is to be carried out, whatever the values is to be take care, everyone knows that humanistic approach is totally based on this system approach is to be there. In this humanistic and values is to be carried out, whatever the concept is to be there, we should know whatever our object is to be there. In this context, in these values, in these scenarios, whatever the adjustment is to be there, we should be take care. And if we are in that situation, definitely we will look after whatever the values to be there. So a humanistic approach provides a distinct method of counseling and focuses predominantly on an individual's unique personal potential to explore creativity, growth and psychological understanding. Because this we have a specialist knowledge. Counselor of this field is to be there in specializing providing clients with humanistic counseling are skilled in offering a non-judgment, supportive and understanding service in a safe and confidential environment is to be taken care. Because this totally and humanitarian ground is to be there. If we depressed, if we feel that we are not doing this type of activities to be there, definitely we cannot do. There are many different types of humanistic counseling is to be taken care. All of which includes a close counseling relationship between the counseling therapist and the client was there. These include, we are just discussing a simple way, what type of humanistic approach of the counseling is to be take care. Because there are certain things is to be take care, 3 or 4 types of the counseling. So in this counseling, there are gestalt therapy. So gestalt therapy, this type of counseling is directive as opposed to non-directive and personal centered, and offers the client an opportunity to explore thoughts and feelings and how these are processed. It provides an incentive to become more aware of the mind, body and spirit. By working through and clarifying feelings, a client can achieve greater understanding of their own personal experiences to be take care. So gestalt therapy is to be like that, a counselor measure. Then we have to use it, the various other approaches to be there, because this is totally a humanitarian ground was there, so we have to use it accordingly. The second is that we have to use it besides this, this is just like how we have to deal with the transpersonal. Then we can use it the transpersonal psychology, in this therapy, this is a deeper form of the therapy can be carried out, because whatever the humanitarian ground, whatever the experience ground is to be there, we have to take care accordingly. And then the main thing is counseling client in the humanistic approach. We deal in a personal growth and self-development is to be take care. And beside this, whatever the concept is to be there, because in the humanistic counselor, this the concept is totally alone. A general counselor, now if you are a counseling, you are a clinical counseling, or you are a clinical, I already told you, this counseling can be carried out by the means of the clinical psychologist, or the clinical counselor can be carried out to there. Because something, your mind and body system is not working in a very, you can say, in a harmonious form is to be there. Or where the system is not in harmonious form, you need certain therapy accordingly, the certain values to be there. So for the humanistic counselor is basically to provide support in that clients can freely explore their role of life experiences to be there. Because humanistic approach is totally on the life experiences. And if our life experience is not in that scenario, we cannot say down that we are getting whatever the result is to be there. In this process, in this system, in this approach, whatever the behavioral scientists to be there, because a lot of concept is to be coming down, a lot of theories is to be coming down in the values of the system approach, and the behavioral approach is to be connected here. And whatever the knowledge, whatever the traditions, whatever the expectations, the behavioral approach is to be, we have to take care. And we have to change behavioral and we have taken behavioral. Because now here you can clearly understand the approaches of behavioral, because later on we have some theory or the counseling and in your syllabus was there, we will discuss that also. And as the discussing part of that, whatever the humanistic part is to be there, we will take care accordingly. Then if we have to come down, now one thing is to be very, very clear that in the system and the humanistic, whatever the approach is to be there, each and everything is totally on the system values is to be there. Because whatever in this humanistic approach, how the things shall be carried out. Because whatever the concept is to be there, first we will provide self-awareness. We have to give that type of things down. Your system is totally working, you are self-sufficient is to be there. So we have to give a that type of knowledge to our client. Client means employees, because we are discussing this chapter for the organizational development. As a HRD manager, you have to train the person as per the need basis, as per the counseling needs to be there. So you have the self-awareness techniques can be carried out. So in the capacities of self-awareness, you should know yourself first. If you know yourself first, then only you can say you have the capacity, you can build the other concepts to be there. The second thing is freedom and responsibility. This type of freedom and responsibilities. In this freedom and responsibilities, you have to give the work independently to that type of client, the behavioral humanistic approach, and treat them as a human being. And they have to do with the real responsibilities, because reward and punishment they know. If they know, so they will do really a good thing. And the third one is identity and relationship to others. You just learn identity and relationship. Development is to be take care by in this process, because as a human being you need that type of relations to be there. So in today's system, in today's values, in today's culture, in today's provisions to be there, whenever we are discussing that there are two approaches today we are discussing. First is humanitarian approach, and the second is behavioral approach. In this behavioral approach, we have to show that everything is related to our behavior. If we are thinking accordingly, we can achieve whatever the success is to be there. And in the humanitarian system, humanistic approach, how we have to deal with the client, how we have to deal with the people, how we have to deal with our HR. Because ultimately, everything is given out the HR system. So our behavior, our attitude, our knowledge, our skills should be accordingly. So as a counseling person, as a counselor or a counselee, there should be a good relationship, faith, belief system, and behavioral system is totally dependent on the belief system is to be there. So whatever the natural system, natural tendencies is to be take care, everything we have to look after accordingly. Then in the next session, we will take care some other theories which is to be related in this system approach or is the heuristic approach. So today we have just discussed about what is the heuristics approach and what is the behavioral approaches.